Okay, and the question is, it says all of the inscribed angles are congruent. Find the measure of an inscribed angle for each star. Okay, so basically what you want to do is remind yourself that it's half the measure of the central angles. Okay, and how many central angles do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 central angles. And 5 inscribed angles actually as well. I'm just going to make them a little bit darker so it's easy for you to see. Alright, now how many degrees are in that whole circle? And they're all equal, right? So 360 degrees are in the whole circle. And we divided that by 5 central angles. So 360 divided by 5 is 72 degrees for each of those central angles. That means that this arc is 72 degrees. All right, but we're not looking at the inscribed angles. We're looking, at the central angles. We're looking at these inscribed angles right here. Okay, and what do you know about inscribed angles? They're half the measure of the arc. So half of 72 is 36 degrees. Okay, now the second part of that question asks what the sum of all the inscribed angles is for the star. Okay, so we have 5 of them, so we're going to have to multiply that times 5 to find out. So this is the answer to A. And then we multiply, that's part of the answer to A. Multiply 36 times 5. We can find out how many degrees there are in all of those angles. So that's 180. Now, if you stop and think about it, it makes sense that that would have to be 180 because